In today's video, I'll show you how you can get free music for your content through YouTube Studio. And if you are using any other audio where you don't have a license or you don't know the source, there are chances that you might get a copyright claim or a copyright strike. It not only affects your revenue, but you could also have a takedown request for the video. You don't want to get into that trap. So I always use this YouTube audio, and it is stress free. I know that I'm not going to get any copyright claim or strike, and you'll get to see how you can go and download this. It's quite simple. Let's get to the computer screen. Come to youtube.com and then sign in. So when you click here, you will be directed to enter your Gmail credential. So once you enter the Gmail credential, you will now come to YouTube account, which looks like this account section. This is your avatar. Click here and click on YouTube Studio. Audio library, these are the free to download YouTube audio. You will never get a copyright strike, copyright claim, as these are YouTube audio, and you can just go download any of these you want. Now you see here, it has title track, various category. So you can go and select based on that. This is the search bar where you come and look at anything what you're looking for. For now, there are two categories here: attribution required, attribution not required. So when you go for attribution required, you see it shows license type, YouTube audio library license, no attribution required. That means you can just download and use it as it is. Where it says attribution required, you will have to come here, click here and copy this, put this in your description of your video and acknowledge about the Creative Commons attribution. So if you don't do this, then again you might get a copyright. To avoid, just have this, and this gives the entire detail to YouTube. So this is the most safest way for you to have audio on your video. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and comment if you found this video useful. Also, relevant links including video links are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Driving Tester.